This is the 14th video, 10 plus 4, that I've created for you guys today. They average around 8 to 12 minutes long. Please go and check out the playlist in the description and watch how I've made $147. I've made my money for the day. Now I'm a little bit far, so I'm using the destination mode to go back towards downtown LA where I'm supposed to meet a friend for dinner, right? Now check this out. We're gonna go over here. I have all the options on. Now I'm gonna be quiet because I need to relax a little bit, calm my energy down, and work my way. And because there's traffic, I'm taking a little bit of time, right? But I will, as I get opportunities and as Uber tries to give me options, I will keep you posted. But the main thing is, if you watch the last 14 or 13 videos I posted, you'll be able to see how I've made $147 in 6 trips today. And all the YouTube content that I created, right? This is multitasking at its best. And this is one of my YouTube channels. I have 3 YouTube channels. 2 you know about. The third one, as soon as this channel gets to where I can monetize it, then I'm gonna focus on the third channel, which is spirituality, which means what? I'm a beast. I'm a beast. All right, I gotta calm myself down, Mr. Beast mode, and just take it easy. All right, let's see what pops up. I will keep you guys posted, my friends. And now I gotta listen to my own videos. No, actually I'm gonna take a break and listen to some music and calm myself down. My energy is too high right now. My energy my energy is too high. Passengers are coming in here, I'm talking to them. Like every single passenger and I are like, we're talking. We're like every single passenger, we're having discussions, right? And they're like shocked at like how nice and how kind I am. And maybe this is why I'm getting tips, right? Today, on a Wednesday, I got 2 tips, right? So $17 or $18 is just from tips. Out of 6 passengers, 2 gave me tips. This is the way it's supposed to be. Okay, so now I'm about to enter the freeway. There's a couple clouds, which means I'm using destination mode. I don't know if it's gonna give it to me or not, but we will find out. Remember, by the time you get on the freeway and you leave, that is when Uber is gonna be like, oh my God, we're losing a driver. Let's give him what he wants. And if you watch my channel all day, you're gonna learn that's exactly what I've been showing you. You stay, you leave. When you leave, Uber gives it to you because there's no other drivers in the area, and it might as well make money off you and put some money in its pocket. And just understand that if I made $147 today, Uber made $147. It's a 50-50 split. Okay, I took a little bit of a break, rested up a little bit, and I was testing out this area. It's some mall right here, but there's like Barnes and Noble, Ralph's, and there's some 23 highway. I've never been here before, guys. So Stony Brook's townhomes. So I was hoping I can get somebody from here, but nothing. I waited maybe 10-15 minutes. I was charging my phone, talking to a buddy, responding to some messages. Now I'm gonna keep going, but I've changed my location. Instead of going to downtown LA to meet my buddy, roughly we're gonna head towards IKEA in Burbank, and somewhere out there we're gonna find a place to eat, right? So it's showing about an hour away. There's still traffic. Most of the traffic, if you notice right here, is cleared up. Earlier there was traffic all right here. That's all cleared up, right? So hopefully I can get a ride. If not, by the time I get here, I should be able to land $10 or $15 and then end up somewhere out here for lunch. I'm sorry, for dinner. 8 to 8:30 is when I'm supposed to meet my friend, and this is how I drive. But so far nothing, right? The time is 6:30 p.m. right now, but I'm gonna keep trying. I'm gonna keep hustling. It's a Wednesday. And when you use destination mode, just think in your mind, 90% you're not gonna get anything because Uber doesn't like it. You're literally doing this. You're telling Uber, hey, I'm only going this way, right? So all of this is gone to you. All of this is gone to you, right? All of this is gone to you, right? So then Uber's gonna punish you and put you in a prison. Like, it's almost like tunnel vision. But you know what? I made my money. I don't have to worry if Uber doesn't give me anything. I would love to make 200 today, right? But who knows? Maybe after my buddy leaves, I might pop a quick ride and make another 20 bucks here and there, and then head home. And home, just so you know where it is, home is up here for me, right? So that's where I gotta go. This is why we're meeting for dinner out here. Like if I didn't have to use destination mode, I think easily I could pop like 20 bucks here, no problem. But it'll probably take me at a random spot, right? But it's all good. Now I'm on my way, and if something pops up with Uber, I'll let you know. But so far, I didn't even get the $3 rides. I didn't even get the $5 rides, which is weird. Alrighty, no bites, and it's nighttime. As you can see, the app has changed colors on us. I came all the way back. Where did I pick up? Okay, this is where I picked up the person and went that way to drop them off. I came back here. Now I'm all the way over here and nothing. So now I'm taking the exit on the freeway and probably gonna go down Ventura and see if I can pick up somebody. I still have time. I got about an hour. I can still drive and maybe get $10-15. And the goal was at least to get 20 bucks so I can cover my gas coming back. But so far, Uber's not behaving, but who knows? We're in city. We're in an area where at least, you know, those $5 rides should pop up. I literally had to turn off destination mode because I thought maybe that was what's causing it to not give me anything. So right now I'm driving free, you know, just so I can make my gas money real fast. Hey, all right, $5, thank you. Hey, but Uncle Uber, look, I got a Taco Bell bean and cheese burrito. I can't come pick you up right now because I'm starving. I haven't eaten all day. I can't even wait till I have dinner with my buddy because we have no idea where we're gonna go. So I need to fill my stomach with a little bit. And don't lie, you know nobody took that $5 ride. Don't lie. But thank you for letting me know you're awake. I appreciate it, Mr. Uber. I was getting a little bit worried. Ooh, damn, I can't go. That's too far. I can't go. I got dinner coming up. Otherwise, I would have taken that. That's not bad for 1 hour, $49, guys. That's not bad. I know some of the trolls are not gonna like it, but I can't go. Man, that hurts. That would have put me at 200 today. All right, I can do that. I can do that. That's the gas money I was looking for. If Uber gives it to me. My apologies. I'm eating a bean and cheese burrito. I'm starving. First meal of the day. Of course. I'm right next to it. Of course. Now I gotta swallow this hella fast. Rahmili. I'm so close to this person. Alright guys, this video is over. God bless you. I'll upload it in a second.